Hey guys, in this one, I want to show you how to use watch lists in the WeBull app. If you want to follow along, you haven't got WeBull already, check out my link in the description. You can go and sign up for it for a free account. Also, if you deposit $100 in your account, WeBull will give you a free stock. So definitely worth checking out. That and more information will be in the description, but let's go through watch lists in the WeBull app. So let's get into the WeBull app, and actually when you open it, it always takes you through to this watch list page. So there's tons of different things you can do with watch lists. The first is just organize them any way that you want. So you can organize them by price, either low to high or high to low. As you can see, just press this up and down and it's going to change the stocks about. You can also put them in alphabetical order, either A to Z or Z to A. Let's go ahead and actually create a brand new watch list. The way that you add a new watch list is clicking on that menu, coming down to the bottom and click on this plus icon or add list, and then you get to name this brand new watch list. Maybe I want a watch list full of technology stocks, so I'm going to name this technology. Then you can choose which currency the watch list is displayed in. I'm just going to choose US dollar. That's easy for me, and I want to put US stocks in here, so that's fine. Then you can click on save in the top right hand corner, and that new watch list is saved for you. Going back into that menu, you can see I've got the technology watch list right here. If I click on it, I haven't got any stocks in there right now, but you can definitely populate this with as many stocks as you want. When you have a new watch list, it's really easy. You just press the add symbol right here and then go and search for a couple of stocks. You can see I've got some history down here, so I can actually just click on those, press the add button, but let's go to the search box and basically type in some stocks that we want. So I can just come to this tick icon in the right hand side, click on that. Then it's going to actually ask me what watch list I want to add it to. It's already in this my watch list right here, as you can see, because there's a tick by that. I want to add it to technology as well. So I'm just going to click on that one, click done, and then that is added to the technology watch list. I can do this for a bunch of different stocks, and every time all you have to do is just click that tick icon on the right hand side, choose the watch lists that you want it in or out of, press done, and then that will be finished for you. If we cancel out of this page, then it will take us back to our technology watch list, and you can see we have 2 stocks in this right now. If you ever want to add more symbols again, click on this icon, add symbol. It'll take us back through to the search page, and then you can just search for way more stocks, put them in your watch lists, exactly like we did before, and they will be populated. The other way that you can do this instead of pressing the add symbol is just going straight up to the search bar at the top. So this magnifying glass, searching for any type of stock. And whenever you do this, there's always going to be a plus button on the right hand side, which you can press. It will take you through to that same page. Choose which watch list you want to put it in, press done. And then when you go back to that watch list, it will be there for you. If you ever want to edit or manage your watch lists, come up to this icon once more and then come down to this icon that says manage, and you'll have a couple of options in here. The first is to actually rearrange them. So maybe I want technology at the top. So I press these 3 lines right here and hold, and I can drag it right to the top. You can also edit that watch list. You can rename the list and choose a different currency. I'm happy with this for now though. And you can very easily delete watch list by pressing the red minus icon right there. Once it will come up with a delete option, and you can press delete, and then that watch list won't be there anymore. If we come out of the manage watch list page, there's also another way to do this, and that is adding stocks to watch lists from the stock page. So let's go up to the search bar and we'll search for yet another technology stock. And instead of pressing the plus button, I'm going to press the stock itself and go into the stock screen. If you ever want to add a stock to a watch list, click the star option in the very top right hand corner of the stock page. That will take you straight through to the add to watch list page. You can then choose which watch list to put it in, press done. Then if we come out of there and press cancel back to the technology watch list, you can see AMD is now in there. Also within watch lists, you can change how they are displayed, which I think is pretty cool. You can come over to the top right hand corner, 3-dot option menu. So click on that, then go through to watch list settings. You can change the way that everything is displayed. So for me, I choose green up and red down as the colors because that's what we use in the UK. But I know around the world it can be different. You can use maybe red up, green down, green up, yellow down, or gray and gray. So you can change all of this. You can also change the refresh frequency of the watch list down here, maybe 5 seconds. I have it in real time. And then the display order, either name symbol or symbol name. You can change that to just how you want to see it. Coming out of that page once more and then going back to the 3 dotted line, you can see edit this list right here. It will enable you to manually change the order in which the stocks are displayed by just holding this down and moving them around. You can move any stock you want right to the top of the watch list by pressing this icon. If you have like 100 stocks, then that will be an easier way to do that. You can also bulk edit by pressing these icons in the left and then coming down and either move to a new watch list or delete altogether. So if I click on move to new watch list, you can basically move them all to a different watch list that you have in your watch lists. That's pretty much everything to do with watch lists. As I said, if you don't have a WeBull account as yet, you can follow my link in the description, deposit $100 in your account. WeBull will give you free stocks up to $1,400 in value. If the video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.